Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 27th and the chart of the day for today is the Euro USD 60 minutes time frame. Now we can see right here we ended with 1 and with 2 here. This is minute degree, and then here is your with 1 of 3, and 2 of 3 might be completed already, right? It might be completed, or if it is too shallow, we could still be doing a double. Meaning that this 3-ways pullback could be just ending the W, and then you got an X, and then you got another 3 down Y into a bigger 7 swing or 3 swing from the peak, and then finish it here, right? So this is the more aggressive view for now, but of course I think it's a little bit too shallow, I mean, to be honest, the correction. So I wouldn't be surprised, let's say, if we actually do double and do a Y leg down, which should continue to find support, as you know, in the sequence of 3-7 swing against that previous low 114.438. If I zoom out all the way up to the weekly, okay, this is the weekly, and let's put here in the wave 2, which is 114. Now wait a moment, where is it? Somewhere around here, right? So anyhow, look at the weekly time frame and do the extension analysis here. From the lows here, we got this 1, 2, 3. We have a 100% upside target to 119, which has not been reached. So this is going to be sort of the minimum expectation. So you can think of it, if you believe this is actually 1, 2, we should be looking at least 100%, or even 1.618 if this turns out to be wave 3, right? But if this is simply an ABC, and typically it's going to reach at least 119, 17. So this area is basically sort of the potential target on the upside as a minimum sort of expectation, right? This is the area. And until we reach at minimum 119, basically whatever pullback you see will continue to find support. You can see in the last pullback here was also in the form of just a 3-ways down ABC, right? 100%, boom, rally higher. So this one also ABC, 100%. You can measure the extension. You can see how everything reacts after touching 100%, reacts, rally again, right? So let's say if now, let's assume we rally a little bit and we fail and go down again, then simply you just change again this WX, and then it's going to fail again at the next area. Now I'm just hypothetically assuming this is the X, for example. Then this will be the next support here, and it will continue to follow that logic as long as it stays above 114.438. Any kind of pullback will continue to find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing until at least it reaches 119. Okay, so that is the idea here, and so it remains bullish against 114.40, with this one as the most aggressive view, and the less aggressive view doing a double correction in the shorter time frame. Okay, and as always, we're gonna update this in our service. If you want to get more updates in the euro or any other forex, commodities, indices, stocks, feel free to check our service. I will provide the link in the description of the video. You can also check our website here. This is our website, and this is the trial, only 99 cents for new members. And this is our different plans and pricing, and these are all the educational classes we have for you to learn more about Elliott Wave. All right, so see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.